Hey guys, I came across a viral ad recently, and I couldn't scroll past it. You might have seen it too. It starts with, "My husband stopped kissing me at 217 pounds, I divorced him at 147. Yeah, that one. It's an emotional story about a woman who loses weight using something called Peaka GLP-1 and NAD plus Essence liquid pearls after stopping expensive injections like Ozempic or Wegovy. And look, I'm naturally skeptical of ads like this. The story felt personal, but also kind of like a script. So, I decided to dig a little deeper and ask the big question. Is Peaka a scam, or does it actually work? The ad is emotional, powerful, and honestly, really well written. But let's break down what it's really promising. Natural weight loss without injections. Appetite suppression. Improved energy and gut health. No nausea, no mood swings, and no rebound weight gain, like with Ozempic. Sounds amazing, right? Maybe too amazing? So, I looked up the ingredients. Here's what's inside these so-called liquid pearls. Organic morena extract supports metabolism and stabilizes blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar aids digestion, reduces appetite, and boosts fat burning. Turmeric extract reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. Keto BHB promotes fat burning and provides clean energy. GLP-1 mimetic naturally helps curb appetite and support blood sugar control. NAD boosts cellular energy and metabolism. Peppermint essential oil refreshes digestion, improves circulation, and provides a cooling, soothing effect. Individually, none of these are scammy. These are real ingredients found in legit supplements. And GLP-1? That's a hormone your body uses to regulate hunger and insulin. So this product claims to support your natural GLP-1 production through gut health, not by injecting synthetic versions like semaglutide. Is that possible? Yes, in theory. Will it work the same way as a drug? No. Let's be real, this is not a medical-grade treatment. Red flags I noticed. The emotional ad feels scripted. There's no real proof Sarah exists. The product URL isn't a major retailer, it's a niche store, which doesn't automatically mean it's a scam. But it means you should be cautious. Green flags. There's a 90-day refund policy. That's pretty generous. Ingredient list is transparent. No sketchy fillers. The brand doesn't claim overnight miracles, just steady, natural results. Here's my honest take. No, I don't think Peaka is a scam. But it's also not magic. If you're expecting this to work like Ozempic, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for a supplement that supports appetite, gut health, and metabolism naturally, this could be worth trying, especially since there's a money-back guarantee. Just manage your expectations, and as always, talk to your doctor before starting anything new, especially if you're dealing with weight, hormones, or medications. So no, Peaka doesn't seem like a scam, but it also isn't a miracle cure. It might help you support your body, but it won't replace real lifestyle changes. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, or if you want me to review other trending supplements. And hey, no matter where you are on your health journey, just know, you're already enough. I'll drop the link below, in case you want to look into it yourself.